Hello, fellow adventurers! KeeKee here. Today, we're heading to the airport. We're going to learn what to expect when you check in for your flight. I thought it would be fun to do a series called What to Expect When You Travel. Because you know what? Sometimes new adventures can feel a little big or unfamiliar. So I'm here to show you what happens along the way, so you'll know what to expect and feel ready for the fun ahead. When you arrive at the airport, you'll see lots of signs, luggage carts, and people rolling their suitcases. Don't worry, it feels very busy, but everyone's there for the same reason: to go on an adventure. Step 1. Find your airline's check-in desk. You're gonna want to look for the big sign with your airline's name on it. That's where you'll drop off your big suitcase, the one you can't carry on the plane. Next, you'll need your ticket and maybe your passport if you're flying into another country. An airline helper will weigh your bag and give it a bag tag so that it can ride safely in the cargo hold in the plane's luggage compartment, which is right underneath the seats in a plane. Your smaller bag, called a carry-on, stays with you the whole trip. That's where you can pack your favorite book, snack, and maybe your KeeKee plush. When you're all checked in, you'll get your boarding pass. It's like your ticket to the skies. It tells you your flight number, gate, and seat. You did it! Checking in is easy when you know what to expect. Next up on our journey, security check-in. And I'll show you how that works too. Until then, adventure awaits!